Hey there, future English speakers. Welcome to our channel Learn with Amso, your go-to channel for all things educational. Today, we are driving into the exciting world of learning English for beginners. Ready to start this amazing journey? Let's go! Hello everyone, I'm Amso and today I'm going to share with you some fantastic tips and tricks to learn English quickly and effectively. Whether you're starting from scratch or just looking to improve, these strategies will help you on your way. Tip number 1. Immerse yourself in English. That means surround yourself with the language as much as possible. Watch English movies and TV shows with subtitles. Listen to English music and try to read simple English books or articles. The more you hear and see English, the more familiar it will become. Tip number 2. Practice speaking every day. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. It's all part of learning progress. Find a language partner or join an online language exchange. Speaking with others helps you improve your pronunciation and confidence. Tip number 3. Learn the basics of grammar and vocabulary. Start with simple words and sentences. Use flashcards or language apps to help you memorize new words. Understanding basic grammar rules will help you form sentences correctly. Tip number 4. Make use of language learning apps. Apps like Duolingo, Babbel, and Memrise offer interactive lessons that make learning fun and engaging. They are great for practicing on the go and tracking your progress. Tip number 5. Stay consistent and be patient. Learning a new language takes time and effort. Set aside a little time each day for your studies and don't get discouraged if you don't see immediate results. Keep practicing and you will get there. Remember, learning English is a journey, not a destination. Keep these tips in mind, stay motivated, and most importantly, have fun. Thank you for watching. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more language learning content. Share your progress or any questions you have in the comments below. Keep learning and see you in the next video.